So when you open up your Cricut design space, you will be taken to what is known as your home page. On your home page, you can see that you're on that page because it says home up here in the upper left. You'll see this menu bar across the top, and with that menu bar, there's a few things you can do. This is a menu dropdown that will show certain commands. So you can see that we're on the home tab. We can switch from the home tab or the home page to the canvas page, which we'll talk about next. You can set up a new machine, do some calibration, update your firmware. So a lot of settings and information that you'll access from this menu here. Over to the right, you can look at your projects. So if I was to click on that, these are all of my projects that I have, and you can see that it switches me to the canvas page. If I go back to this menu drop down and click on home, I go right back to the home page. Over here, you can set and optimize your experience for the type of Cricut machine that you have, as well as start a new project. The banners that you'll see down below here, they're set up in a couple different sections. One is the main banner, which is your, you'll find like certain materials or other advertisements put out by Cricut. Then you'll see your projects. So these are kind of a quick way to access an existing project that you've already created and started. The little arrows to the right and or left will let you scroll and see more of your projects. And then a little bit further down will be all the Cricut Access projects. So these are projects that you can purchase and download. So there's some existing ready to make projects, and you can find those projects. So if you wanted to do a Valentine's Day project, you could search these projects in Cricut Access. Next, we'll talk about the canvas.